Hello everybody. I hope you're all fine. It's been a while since I posted my last video. Yes, really busy days. This week we started face-to-face education at school. We were really excited with kids. We danced, we played games, we sang songs. We just had fun. Today I want to share a game with you. The name of the game is 3 Changes. You can play this game both in your online and face-to-face lessons. Now, I'm gonna explain how you can play this game in online and face-to-face lesson. Divide your class into 2 groups. Have them stand up and make 2 lines parallel to each other, keeping the social distance, of course. Ask them to look at them very carefully, okay? Their hair, their clothes, their face. They're gonna look at each other very carefully. After doing this, ask them to turn back. They don't see each other. And they will change 3 things on them. Again, it can be their hair, or they can insert something into their hair, and they can change their necklace or their watch. After doing this, after they change 3 things on them, ask them to turn back again, and when they're face to face again, they try to notice these 3 changes. What are they? And they say, you changed your hairstyle. You're wearing your watch on your other wrist. Or, you drew something on your face. I think there is a dot on your nose. Like this. When you start your online lesson, invite your students and see them all on the screen. If you have more students, you can invite them groups of 5 or 6. When they're on the screen, tell them you're gonna play a game. The name of the game is 3 Changes. Ask them to look at each other very carefully and tell them you're gonna turn off their cameras, and at that time they're gonna change 3 things on them. After they change 3 things on them, you're gonna open their cameras again, and they look at each other very carefully again, and they try to notice these changes. In online or face-to-face, they're gonna have fun with this game. According to your aim, you can play this game as a pre or post activity in your lesson. And according to your aim, you can change this game. For example, you want to teach, or let's say you want to practice simple past, and you want your students to use simple past sentences. While they're playing this game, you want them to use simple past sentences. For example, you changed your hairstyle. I noticed that you wore your hat. You wore your necklace. And you drew something on your face.